Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Hate snakes? Pythons may not be your thing, but the coding language Python you will learn during Intro to CS will be. In this exciting Sienna course that grants college credit, you will create awesome image manipulations, learn about computer hardware and how it works, and learn about artificial intelligence. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to some recent graduates of the course.
Computer science is for everyone. There's a common misconception they have to be great at math or want to go into STEM if you're taking computer science, but that's not true at all. It's problem solving, and if you like that, then you'll love computer science.
It's a growing field, and the skills within it are becoming more and more integrated into most other fields, from finance to biology. And, well, who knows? Maybe AI will take over the world. And then which side would you want to be on then?
Don't hesitate. Join Introduction to Computer Science today.